This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a mojito at home. Gather 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 lime, 2 TSB sugar, 2 Oz white rum, soda water, and ice. Muddle mint and sugar gently to release oils without shredding the leaves. Add lime juice and rum, then stir with crushed or cubed ice. Top with soda water, taste, and adjust sweetness or rum to suit your preference. Start by placing mint and sugar in a sturdy glass, then muddle gently to release aroma and essential oils without bruising. Add lime wedges and press to extract fresh juice, leaving some rind for bitterness. Pour in 2 Oz white rum and fill the glass with ice, then top with 3 Oz soda water. Stir lightly to lift flavors, garnish with a mint sprig, and enjoy a balanced, refreshing mojito. Choose fresh, vibrant mint and avoid overmuddling to prevent bitterness, and use soft white sugar or simple syrup so it dissolves quickly. Taste as you go, balancing 2 Oz rum with sweetness until the drink feels right. Try crushed ice for a slushy texture or cubed ice for a cleaner presentation. Experiment with lime intensity and mint amount to craft a mojito that fits your palate and the occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.